Welcome to Orient Exchange. In this video, we will show you how easily to book foreign currency and forex card with us. First, visit our official website and select the location where you want our services. Next, in the Customer by Forex option, select the currency you need. Pick the product, either cash or card. Enter the forex quantity in multiples of denomination mentioned below in case of cash. The maximum limit you can order in cash is $3,000 or the equivalent. If you need more products, don't worry, you'll have the option to add them on the next page. And click on the Book Now button to log in. Enter your email ID, which will be registered, to get OTP and order confirm. Choose OTP or password to log in. Password is for only registered users. Select OTP and click on Send OTP button. OTP will be sent to above email ID. Enter OTP and click on the login. Now, you will see the product details. If you want to add more products, you can do that here as well. Enter your travel date and the purpose of your trip. If you have already purchased foreign currency during the current financial year, including currency or forex card or remittances to abroad, please enter that total amount in Indian rupees. Do not enter the current transaction amount. Choose your preferred delivery mode. If you are opting for door delivery, enter the correct PIN code and address. For branch pickup, select the branch and the pickup date. Click Next. Now, select the country you are traveling to. Enter the traveler's name exactly as it appears on their PAN card, along with the PAN number. Confirm that the traveler is an Indian resident. Declare that the traveler hasn't purchased forex in cash for the same trip earlier from Orient Exchange, then click Next. Upload your documents mentioned in case of readily available soft copies, or select Upload later. Remember, foreign currencies or card will be handed over to travelers only. Kindly ensure you have your original passport, PAN card, and other necessary documents available for verification purposes. Confirm that the traveler's PAN and Aadhaar are linked. Then click Next. Please select the suitable payment method as per your convenience. Select a method after reading the info given. Go through the order summary before making the payment. Read terms and conditions carefully before accepting. Provide account details from where you are going to make the payment. Once payment done successfully, order will be generated. Order confirmation mail will be sent to register mail ID. Click on the Track Your Order button to get the status of your order. And that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.